The testing officer will conduct a pre-drive safety check before starting the drive test. Officer will give you an instructions while standing outside in front of your vehicle. 1. The candidate must recognize and use the following vehicle controls. Turn on your low beam headlights. High beam. High beam off. Windscreen washer and wiper. Turn on your left signal. Right signal. Signal off. Hazard lights on. Leave your hazard lights on. Turn off your hazard lights. Press the foot brake. Turn on your right signal. Left signal. Signal off. Beep the horn. 2. The candidate is required to recognize the handbrake. Show me the handbrake. 3. The following controls must be identified by the candidate but not used. Show me the front windscreen demister. Rear window demister. 4. The applicant is required to start the engine. When you're ready, start the car.